Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the US dollar yen, I'm still looking at this as 5 waves up. It still looks to me like 5 waves, and even the wave 5 looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we possibly could be very, very close to having a big move down on the yen pairs, maybe even all the way down, taking out the low of wave 4. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we've had a couple little interventions from the yen this week and last week. It really still has not really confirmed any significant turn yet, and to me it still kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It still kind of looks to me like it needs to go up one more time to complete this pattern. Then if it goes down and breaks structure, I'm going to be all about sorting this thing. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, it really seems like we're in a wave 4 right now. It seems very clear that this is most likely a wave 1, this is a wave 2, this is a subdivision waves of wave 3. It seems pretty likely that we are now in a wave 4 and that we are probably going to go up one more time, make a wave 5, maybe take out these highs. Then if we go down and break structure, that is going to definitely be the end of a trend and potentially a big turn on the very high time frames. So we'll be looking forward to that. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. I think this correction needs to be bigger. I think it needs to be about the same size as this wave 2 down here. So I think it's more likely this is going to stretch out, maybe end up doing something like this. Maybe make like a WXY or some sort of a flat, like 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down. Or maybe 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down. Either way, I think it needs to turn into a bigger correction. It needs to be about the same time as this wave 2 was. Then I think we're going to go up for one more wave 5. So keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we already got 1, 2, 3 waves down, which kind of makes me think that now we're going to potentially make 1, 2, 3 waves up. It kind of seems like this would either be an A, a B, and then a 5 waves down for a wave C, which would be a flat pattern, or maybe it's going to be a 3 waves down for W, 3 waves up for wave X, and then 3 waves down for the wave Y, which would be a WXY pattern. Either way, I think we're either going to make WXY or we're going to make ABC flat. Either way, I think it's personally going to most likely turn into some sort of a 3-way pattern up that will most likely take out this high before it goes down and either makes 5 waves down or makes 3 waves down. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.